By now, you must have heard about peer pressure in teenagers. But today, I'm going to talk about adult peer pressure, and I will also give you some tips as to how you can deal with it. Peer pressure in adults can arise at a workplace when your coworker asks you to indulge in some unethical practices, which is against the company's norms, or peer pressure in adults can arise when someone criticizes you for being fat or being skinny. Also, when you drink or smoke to excess just because your friends have asked you to do, then this is called peer pressure in adults. But do not worry about this, as I'm going to help you to deal with peer pressure in your adulthood. Tip number 1: be friends with people who lift you up. So in order to avoid yourself from being pressurized by your peers, it's important to build a relationship with people who help you to grow in life, and also who respects your decisions that you take for yourself. So when you spend time with such people, you will experience less pressure. On the other hand, when you will involve yourself in the group who often criticize you for everything you do in your life, you will experience more pressure. So, from next time, if you find such company, then just distance yourself from such group. Tip number 2: know what you want from your life. To live a life without being pressurized by your friends or your co-workers, you need to know what you want from your life. Let's suppose you're a non-alcoholic, but every weekend you have to hang out with a bunch of people who ask you to drink alcohol. Now, in this moment, you should be true to your convictions and know what you want, whether you actually want to drink or not. Remember, do not let your weakness be known to others, because when people come to know about your weakness, then at the same time they start pressuring you. So don't be with people who pressure you. Tip number 3: stick to your values and morals. You know, when I was in school, one of our teachers used to always tell us that if your values and morals are good, you will never do anything wrong in your life. Years passed by since the school life ended, but even today, those words said by my teacher is still in my heart and my mind. And I always realize her words whenever I have to make a decision in my life. I want to tell you through this story that you should never forget your morals, which your elders had given you when you were young. Also, practice sticking to those values and morals in your life. This will help you to take the right decisions in your life and will also help you to stay true to your convictions. Tip number 4: do not let others' perspectives ruin yours. To avoid being pressured by your friend or co-worker, it's important for you to stay true to your convictions and know what you are and what you want to be. So, let go of what others think of you. This will provide a pathway to success for adults to live a happy and successful life. Tip number 5: learn to say no. If you start to feel pressured by your friend or co-worker, and if you don't understand how to exit the situation entirely, then simply say no and walk off. The key is to remove yourself from the situation and pressure so that you can preserve your health.